Creating a website on Hostinger involves these steps. Sign up and choose a plan. Visit Hostinger's website, sign up for an account, and choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Register a domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you can register one through Hostinger or use an existing domain. Access hPanel. Once signed up, access the Hostinger control panel using the login credentials provided. Select Website Builder or install WordPress. Hostinger offers options like Zero or WordPress for website creation. Zero. Choose a template, customize it using the drag and drop editor, add content and configure settings. WordPress. Use the auto installer in hPanel to install WordPress. Customize your site with themes, plugins and content. Design and customize. Whether using Zero or WordPress, customize your site's design, layout and functionality to suit your preferences and needs. Publish your website. Once satisfied with the design and content, preview your site and then publish it to make it live on the internet. Monitor and maintain. Regularly update your website with new content, monitor its performance, and perform maintenance tasks to ensure it runs smoothly.